Hi, this is Georgiana FAANG from Cirrus Research. Here with some quick highlights from our latest briefing report. A market recap report for April is entitled Contagion Spreads from Break in Smaller Innovation to Megacap or FAANG stocks. Now this title really encaptures what happened in April, which is the worst month since the pandemic started in 2020. And a lot of the sell-off in April centered on some of these mega-cap growth stocks, which is what you see in here in the blue line. So we used the traditional FAANG stocks with an additional two stocks, including Tesla for good measure. And we've overlaid it with the ARK Innovation ETF, which is the maroon line here, to represent a lot of the riskier pockets, the higher multiple stocks. And what you see is that these higher multiple stocks had sold off severely since 2021. Meanwhile, the mega cap growth names had run up even more. It's only until this year that they started selling off. So this year they're down 30% already, 20 of which came from April alone. So a lot of what we think is behind this is that with all the rate risk, higher multiples got slammed, but what else is there left to sell? Mega cap growth stocks. So some of these household names have come down really hard in April, and really what drove it in April is the expectations. So expectations coming both from the sell side and also from company guidance. In the latest rounds of earnings reports that we've seen, there's definitely a less upbeat tone from company management, and they are starting to guide lower. This tells us that expectations from the sell side will be coming even lower. Now, compared to historical standards, if you look at the blue line here, which represents sell side expectations, this is the upward revision ratio for small, and on the right-hand panel is for large caps. They are above historical average if you look at the historical numbers since the 70s. And with all the headline risk and less optimistic company guidance, we do think that this has more room to go lower, and it should have some kind of impact on the market performance, which you see is slowing down here in the maroon line. And within April, a lot of the dramatic moves are in the mega cap stocks and specifically in valuations as well. So if you look at the value strategies across the board, these are the spreads between the least expensive versus the most expensive stocks. If you look at factors or even a stock selection process, you see that the spreads are fairly wide, especially if you look at large cap arena. So that tells you that the sell-off was much more severe in large cap stocks. And so we do think that value strategy will offer more protection in the portfolio, as well as the quality bias as well. So for more details, please look at our briefing report, which is available on our website. And please feel free to contact us if you have any more questions. Thank you.